Today's a good day.
You know the day is good when that new fabric smell be smelling like some cologne, man. Let's open these bad boys up. I'm excited. Now bear with me. I know the season's just done, and these are all like last season shirts, but I needed to grab them, man. Right, first one. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. My team. My team. Yeah. Bend it like Declan. Bend it like Declan. Yeah. Had to get the away joint as well. Yo. Yeah, baby. Just to get no name on the back for this one, but me like it. I hate the fact that people be calling this Lynx Africa, man. This is... no words. And now the last one. Get ready. Kylian! Yo! I'm holding these shirts out like man's about to get scouted, yo. And I'll be real, they do cost a pretty penny. But every penny's worth it, man.